Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the chess.com game on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Play Store on your device. And once you open it up, tap on the search box at the top section and then type in chess.com and start your search. Once you find the Chess Play and Learn application, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the chess.com game on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and then when it is completed you will see the play button. You can then go ahead and tap on it and this will open up the chess.com game on your device. You can then proceed with signing up to create your new account or logging in to your existing one to start enjoying the chess game right on your smartphone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the chess.com game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.